Once upon a time in a small village, there was a girl named Scarlett. She loved adventures and exploring. One day, she heard about a magical garden in a nearby forest. People said it could make wishes come true if you were kind. Excited, Scarlett decided to find this special garden. With her backpack and happy heart, she went into a magical world. Along the way, Scarlett met some challenges and magical creatures, but she stayed determined and kind. As she went deeper into the forest, Scarlett made friends with Sparkle, a wise butterfly. Sparkle told her the Enchanted garden was a beautiful place, but only those who treated nature well could enter. Scarlett and Sparkle became good friends, helping those fireflies and hungry bunnies. They even taught a mischievous songbird about being considerate. After many adventures, Scarlett and Sparkle reached the magical garden. It was amazing, full of colorful flowers, dancing butterflies, and a breeze that smelled like magic. In the garden, Scarlett found a special flower called the wish petal. People believed it could grant a wish if you were kind. Thinking for her village, Scarlett made a wish for everyone to be happy. To her surprise, the wish petal glowed and her wish came true, became happy and prosperous. Scarlett became a hero for sharing the magic of garden with everyone. This story teaches us that true magic comes from being kind and caring. When we treat others well and take care of nature, our heart becomes magical, bringing happiness to the world around us.